Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever thought about giving your children real watercolors as a gift? I'm going to make a flower arrangement. If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Come with me to find out if this watercolor is the best ally for children's creativity. I teach the technique of this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches. The book is for sale on Amazon. Take advantage of it. It is still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The link to purchase is in the video description. She made a very beautiful arrangement. She worked very well for a children's watercolor. What about you? Have you tried this watercolor with children? Tell us in the comments. If you want more tips like this, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.